Hello everyone, welcome to my first reaction video. Today I will be reacting to the remaster of the aftermath of the slime ball prank made by AlgiReactions. It's our newest video. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I am here at the homepage of the YouTube channel of AlgiReactions. Their newest video. Let's look at this. Alright. Let's begin. I use my... Okay, just wait. I use, the split screen mode on my phone. This camera. So, my face is, right there. Kind of small. But every YouTuber who does reaction videos, does that. For what I know. Okay, let's start. I'm holding my phone. Here we go. Alright, I have never seen this before, so I don't really know what to expect. So this follows the events of, Heart's beating quite fast, because this is the first time I'm making a reaction video. Having fun? That doesn't happen so often with the pranksters. Yeah, this follows the events of, what deal? Oh, slimed, okay. Oh. I knew she would ask Blue. Like, he's standing next to Brown. How? Okay. What? Okay. Rest assured it's not. And I guess she's going to perform this on a Reddit Navy 2 or something. But we'll see. oh, oh no. He got slimed. Oh. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Lime. Oh. How? Just wait. There you go, that's better. What did she whisper? What is she whispering? Okay, what is she going to do? Lime, okay. It's a paintball. Oh no. Oh no. What was that? What was that laugh? Oh my god. Oh! I am loving this episode. This is, oh, that's what they're going... I think that... Yeah. Well, that is what she said. Alright. Let's see. Those are the guys that... They're here. Time to see what happens. Yeah, I kinda forgot. I haven't watched this in such a long time. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Navy just block. Navy just block. What? Navy. Navy actually made sure that red wouldn't get slammed. Well, literally. Okay. It's a... It's a fun episode. 30 minutes. Time flies when you're having fun, yeah. That's cool. Those are cool colored slime. That's cool colored slime. Okay. Oh. The two that... Alright. Wait, why did the music just change? Why did the music just change? What's about to happen? That's nice, that's nice. Wow. So generous. Oh my god. Why though? Why actually? I'm kinda nervous. What's about to happen? Their house is 3 hours away? What's about to happen? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's about to, uh-huh. What? What is it? What? I totally forgot. What? Oh, the flashback. Oh, wow. Oh. This is so wholesome. I am literally holding back tears right now. This is so emotional. Wait, are they actually in love? Wait! Are they actually... What is she... What is he about to... Oh my... Are they actually about to kiss? Yeah, I can see that. I'm totally with you. That had a really wholesome ending. I better end the video quick. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, I guess. The ending was very awesome. Uh, 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 I'll see you. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new lyric video PowerPoint. Bye.